Hello dear friends, I am your Chandramani and you are watching Nanda Nursing Live. Friends, OSSC एग्जाम जो होता रेडियोग्राफर मानकर तांकर क्वेश्चन आंसर आम डिस्कशन करवा मो पूर्वर पार्ट 1 एवं पार्ट 2 क्वेश्चन आंसर पूर्व गोटे वीडियो बनाई से वीडियो मु डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स रे दे देबी से एरिथमेटिक एवं इंग्लिश अच्छी आपण मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स को जाइए देखिपारे से क्वेश्चन आंसर डिस्कशन कराई मैथमेटिक्स और इंग्लिश रो क्वेश्चन आंसर एबे आम थर्ड पार्ट देखा ये वीडियो रे थर्ड पार्ट जोटा देछि सब्जेक्ट रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन मेडिकल रेडिएशन टेक्नोलॉजी रो सो 85 क्वेश्चन अच्छी 85 मार्क्स सब्जेक्ट रू आउे सो 85 क्वेश्चन आम 16 ରୁ 100 जाए डिस्कशन करवा सो वीडियो स्टार्टिंग रू एंडिंग जाए देखूँ एवं जल्दी जल्दी वीडियो लाइक कर दिंतु एवं शेयर कर दिंतु ये इनफॉरमेशन जमी समस्त पाखे पहुँची पार ये वीडियो जमी समस्त पाखे पहुँची पार एवं जब फर्स्ट टाइम चैनल देखुं ताले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दिंतु एवं बेल आइकन को हिट कर दिंतु। सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 16, व्हाई इज कंट्रास्ट यूज्ड इन CT स्कैन? सो right option is B, that is to enhance a particular tissue. The next question, which of the following agents should not be used as an agent for fluoroscopy? So right option is C, that is thoria. Next question देखिए question number 18. Question number 18 रे देछि which of the following indicates a partial obstruction of the larynx or trachea and demands immediate attention? So right option is C, that is stridor. Next question, question number 19, best mode of imaging for suspected uric acid calculi is, right option is C, that is intravenous pyelography. Next question number 20, threshold radiation dose for hematological syndrome is, right option is right option A, first OSSC आंसर की रे A दी थिला फर्स्ट आंसर की बट आफ्टर रिवाइज्ड आंसर की राइट ऑप्शन इज D. सो D इज द राइट ऑप्शन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिबा क्वेश्चन नंबर 21. क्वेश्चन नंबर 21 रे अच्छी रेडिएशन ट्रीटमेंट इज गिवेन फॉर द फॉलोइंग नॉन मालिग्नेंट ब्रेन कंडीशन. सो व्हिच ऑप्शन इज राइट? राइट ऑप्शन इज D, that is craniopharyngioma. So question number 22. next देखिबा laminated appearance of X-ray is suggestive of, right option is 22. question number 22 right option is A, that is Ewing's sarcoma. Then next question, question number 23, for which of these areas can the ultrasound be taken for an infant but not for an adult? So right option of question number 23 is A, that is cranium. Next question, question number 24, what part of the body mostly scanned by MRI? fMRI. What part of the body mostly scanned by fMRI? So right option of question number 24 is A, that is brain. Next देखिए question number 25, what is the frequency range of the sound used for ultrasound diathermy? So right option for question number 25 is B. B is the right option. Then question number 26, what makes PET and SPECT so unique when it comes to nuclear imaging? So question number 26 right answer is C, that is they show the metabolic functions. C is the right option. Next question, question number 27, how much of the generated energy actually utilized for taking an X-ray? So right option is B, 1%. 1% of the generated energy actually utilized for taking an X-ray. Next question, question number 28. Pulmonary embolism is best diagnosed by, right option is C, radionucleus. So right option is C. Then next question, the probe used for imaging the heart is, right option is C, that is phage array probe. Question number 29, the right option is C, that is the probe used for imaging the heart is phage array probe. Then question number 30, which of the following pair of scattering is important for therapeutic purposes? So question number 30, the right option is D, pair production and disintegration. Next देखिए question number 31. Question number 31, regulation of normal activities of the human heart take place. So right option is B थिला right option. After revise, B option right थिला actually. B option right करिथिला first answer की रे OSSC, but after revise A is the right answer. So A is the right option. So regulation of normal activities of the human heart take place by the autonomic nervous system. Next question, question number 32. A non-invasive method of evaluating blood flow is. So which option is right? Option A is the right, Doppler ultrasonography. Then question number 33. Obliteration of left heart border in a PA chest X-ray is suggestive of. Question number 33 right answer is A, that is lingular pathology. Next question देखिए, question number 34. Which is the most common site for the appendix found at appendectomy? So right answer is B, that is reticular. So right option is B. Which of the most common site for the appendix found at appendectomy? So right option is reticular is the most common site for the appendix found at appendectomy. So next question, question number 35. Gating is a newer technique used in the treatment of. Question number 35, right option is CA lung. Next question, question number 36. Radiation treatment is given for the following non-malignant brain condition. So right option is D, craniopharyngioma. Then next question, question number 37. Frontotemporal dementia brain scan show a dash. So right option is B, shrinking brain. Next question, question number 30. The maximum volume of air contained in the lung by a full force inhalation is called. 38. Right option is D, total lung capacity. Next question देखिए, question number 39. H-shaped vertebra is seen in B, that is right option, sickle cell anemia. So H-shaped vertebra seen in sickle cell anemia. Then question number 40. Which interaction of X-ray is the basis of radiography contrast between bone and soft tissue? So right option is A, that is photoelectric effect. Next question, which of the following substance is activated by passage through the pulmonary circulation? So right option is D, that is angiotensin 1. Then question number 42. Bone marrow transplant recipient patient develop chest infection on chest X-ray, tree on board appearance. The cause of this is, right option is pneumocystis. Next question देखेंगे, question number 43. The ureter passes deep to the Right option is question number 43. B is the right option. Gonadal artery. Next question number 42 is question number 44. A piezoelectric crystal is used to produce the ultrasound waves. What kind of ultrasound is produced? So right option is A, that is pressure wave ultrasound. Next question number 45. Sequestration lung is best diagnosed by. So sequestration lung is best diagnosed by. Right option is D, that is angiography. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 46. इन ए posterior anterior view, that is PA view of chest. So right option is D, that is it's adequate if 8 to 10 posterior ribs are seen above diaphragm. Question number 47. In cobalt 60 machine, which ray is used for external beam radiotherapy? So right option is C, that is gamma ray. Next question number 48. Most common histopathology in head and neck carcinoma is. Right option is A, that is squamous cell carcinoma. Next question number 49. Half line of cobalt 60 is. Right option is C, that is 5 to 26 years. The next question number 50. Which of the following is false concerning chemoreceptor input to the respiratory center? So right option is C, that is the carotid and aortic bodies detect increase in PaCO2 and pH and decreases in PaO2. Next question number 51. In urinary tract tuberculosis, frequent finding on pan film of abdomen is. Which option is right? Question number 51. In urinary tract tuberculosis, frequent finding on plain film of abdomen is. So right option is C, that is calcification. Next question number 52. The smallest unit in the reconstruction or projection of an MRI image is called as dash. So right option is B, that is box cell. Then question number 53. Which of the following factors decreases the heart rate? So right option is D, that is all of the above. So parasympathetic stimulation also decrease the heart rate. Then release of acetylcholine also decrease the heart rate. Increase level of sodium and potassium ions also decrease the heart rate. So all of the above which correct option. Next question number 54. The X-ray is recorded on a plate coated with. So right option is B, that is silver halide. So the X-ray is recorded on a plate coated with silver halide. Next question देखेंगे. Which of the following radiation are used for imaging purposes? So right option is C, that is gamma. Next question देखिए. Question number 56. A patient presents with a deep stab wound high in the costovertebral angle beneath the 12th rib on the left side. The most likely internal injury is. So right option is D, that is pneumothorax of the left lung. Next question number 57. When bone show a bone within bone appearance, this is indicative of. So when show a bone within bone appearance, this is indicative of C, that is osteoporosis. So osteoporosis show a bone within bone appearance. Then question number 58. Orthophantomogram is taken to rule out lesion in mandible. So right option is mandible. Next question, question number 59. During angiocardiography, the mitral valve is best visualized in the during angiocardiography, the mitral valve is best visualized in the C is the right option, that is right anterior oblique view. Then question number 60. Which of the following is not a sesamoid bone? So which one not a sesamoid bone? Option is fibula, os stringonium, patella, fusiform. So right option is B, that is os stringonium is the right option. Then question number 61. When a abdominal ultrasound is done, why is it advised to have a full bladder? Right option is A, that is to have a good acoustic window. Next question, question number 62. In order to visualize the flow of blood in the renal arteries, what process is done with CT? So right option is B, that is CT angiography. Then question number 63. The following radiation fields are used in the treatment of lymphoma except. So question number 63, right option is D, pencil beam field. Then question number 64. Pericardial calcification is caused by all except. Question number 64, right option is dermatomyositis. Next question, question number 65. What is the oxygen effect? So right option is C. C is the right option. Next question, question number 66. Which mode is used for cardiac imaging? So which mode is used for cardiac imaging? So question number 66, right option is C, that is M mode. Next question, question number 67. Which of the following cells have a low resistance radiation? So question number 67, right option is A, lymphocyte, spermatogonia, erythroblast, intestinal crypt cells. Then question number 68. Spirometry can measure all except. So which one is right option? Question number 68. Right option actually D, but इतरे ग्रेस मार्क दिया है ओएसएससी रेडियोग्राफर मान को ये क्वेश्चन रे ग्रेस मार्क मिलची समस्त को. सो मे बी रंग क्वेश्चन थला से ग्रेस मार्क मिलची, बट स्पायरोमेट्री कैन मेजर ऑल एक्सेप्ट डी आंसर की रे डी आइसला, बट नेक्स्ट रिवाइज आंसर की रे ताको ग्रेस मार्क करछि ओएसएससी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिबा, क्वेश्चन नंबर 69. द अंडरलाइंग प्रिंसिपल ऑफ एमआरआई इज दैट. राइट ऑप्शन इज बी, cerebral blood flow and neuronal activity are connected. Question number 70. Investigation of choice in traumatic paraplegia. So investigation of choice in traumatic paraplegia is right option is A, that is MRI. Then question number 71. In the cardiovascular system, which is more affected by the radiation? So right option is A, capillaries. Next question, question number 72. Beyond that dose is the cerebral system shows sign of failure. So right option is D, that is greater than 100,000 rad, greater than 1,000 rad. Then question number 73. Best imaging modality to diagnose liver mass is. Right option is first right option thila D thila nuclear scan, but after revised CT scan is the right answer. So revised answer की है CT scan. Then question number 74. Regarding ventilation, so right option is D, that is FEV1 is about 42% of FVC in patient with obstructive lung disease. So regarding ventilation is right option D. Next question, question number 75. The total number of alveoli present in the human lungs is estimated to be around, right option is C, 500 million. Question number 76. Up to what intensity of radiation is used for mammography? So right option is C, less than 30 keV. Then question number 77. Which of the following needs the longest exposure for an X-ray image? So 77 question number right option is C, that is spine. Spine is the right option. Then question number 78. All the following are veins which drain the stomach except, question number 78, B is the right option, gastroduodenal. The next question, question number 79. The detector of PET is made up of, right option is B, that is gadolinium. So gadolinium is the right option. The detector of PET is made of gadolinium. Next question, question number 80. Gas in biliary tract is not due to, question number A, perforated gastric ulcer. Next question, question number 81. The umbilical cord contains, so question number 81. The umbilical cord contains 81. First ଦେଇଥିଲା A option. After revise it is D is the right option. Next question, question number 82. Aorta pierces the diaphragm at the level of, question number 82, right option is B, T1, T12, T12. So aorta pierces the diaphragm at the level of T12. Next question, question number 83. The phenomenon in which light continues to emit for sometimes even after the radiation exposure has ended is called, C is the right option, that is phosphorescence. C is the right option. Then question number 84. The wave velocity of ultrasound in soft tissue is 154 meter per second and the impedance offered by it is 1.63 into 10 to the power 6 kg per meter square second. What is the density of the soft tissue? So right option is C is the right option, 1058.441 kg per meter cube. Next question. So tooth appearance on abdominal X-ray is seen in, so tooth appearance on abdominal X-ray is seen in, that is multiple polypopsis. So right option is B. Then question number 86. Which of the following machine is often placed together within a X-ray machine? So right option is C, that is fluoroscopy. Fluoroscopy is the right option. Next question, question number 87. What radiation occurs when the electrons are used in radiotherapy? Right option is C. Question number 87. C is the right option. Bremsstrahlung radiation is the right option. Then question number 88. Widening of the C loop in X-ray is diagnosis of, question number 88. Right option is B, that is carcinoma head of pancreas. So widening of the C loop in X-ray is diagnostic of carcinoma head of pancreas. Then question number 89. Uterus and fallopian tubes are assessed by, so which option is right? Question number 89. C is the right option, hysterosalpingography. So hysterosalpingography is the right option. Next question देखिए, question number 90. Electronic portal imaging devices EPAD in radiotherapy used for, so right option is B is the right option, that is treatment verification. Then next question number 91, what is the main function of myoglobin? So right option is C, that is bind O2 together. C is the right option. Then question number 92, echoencephalography is most useful for detecting. Question number 92, A option is the right, that is ventricular dilation. Then next question number 93, alveolar ventilation in a male with a respiratory rate of 10 per minute and tidal volume of 600 ml each. So right option is, question number 93, right option is D, that is 4500 ml. 4500 ml is the right option. Then question number 94, SI unit of dose equivalent is. Right option is D, that is Sievert. Sievert is the right option. Then question number 95, muscles with double intervention among the following is. Question number 95, A, that is flexor digitorum profundus. Then question number 96, what surgical function are performed by the diathermy machine? So question number 96, right option is A, that is cutting, coagulation and fulguration. So right option is A. Then question number 97, what property of sound waves acts like the principle of ultrasound? So question number 97, A is the right option, that is reflection and refraction. What property of sound waves act like a principle of ultrasound? That is reflection and refraction. Then question number 98, what is the main mode of heat transfer in rotating anode X-ray tube? What is the main mode of heat transfer in rotating anode X-ray tube? So a question number 98 आगुरु OSSC फर्स्ट देथिला राइट ऑप्शन देथिला रेडिएशन, बट आफ्टर रिवाइज्ड ऑल ऑफ द एबव हबो. सो सब ऑप्शन राइट हबो. सो ऑल ऑफ द एबव हबो. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 99, क्वेश्चन नंबर 99 अछि, ए पेशेंट विथ हाई फीवर विल मोस्ट लाइकली डेमोन्स्ट्रेट द साइन ऑफ. So चार्ट ऑप्शन चार्ट ऑप्शन राइट ऑप्शन होची बी. बी इज द राइट ऑप्शन, दैट इज इंक्रीज्ड पल्स रेट. सो हाई फीवर रे पल्स रेट इंक्रीज्ड हबो. सो राइट ऑप्शन इज बी. देन लास्ट क्वेश्चन. सो लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ OSSC रेडियोग्राफर मनकर एग्जाम रो लास्ट क्वेश्चन थिला, वेयर आर द लंग्स लोकेटेड? सो राइट ऑप्शन इज बी, दैट इज मेडिस्टर्न ऑफ थोरासिक कैविटी. सो फ्रेंड्स ये थिला दीटा पार्ट रे हमर क्वेश्चन आंसर डिस्कशन OSSC रेडियोग्राफर मनकर. ये थिला 16 ରୁ 100 जाए एवं फर्स्ट पार्ट आ गोटे बनाई सेटा मो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स रे दे दीची, आपण माने जाई देखि पारिबे मैथ आउ इंग्लिश रो. एवं ये पार्ट थिला सब्जेक्ट रिलेटेड रेडियोग्राफर मनकर क्वेश्चन आंसर डिस्कशन. सो वीडियो जदि आपको भल लगी एवं इनफॉर्मेटिव लगी आपन जदि इफेक्टिव थी ताले आप वीडियो को लाइक करूँ और शेयर करूँ, समस्त घर जमी पहुँची पार. एवं चैनल सब्सक्राइब पर्यटन करना चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दूँ, एमती पैरामेडिक्स रिलेटेड अपडेट आप चैनल अपलोड हो पाए. थैंक यू सो मच. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय ओडिशा.